We are in the bus. We are traveling from Jankichatti to Uttarkashi. We just had our lunch at some place where they had stopped. It was good lunch. And these are the roads. It seemed the roads were very, very narrow earlier, but now they have done it very well. They have broadened them. You can see the work is still going on. This is the road. It's going to take us to Uttarkashi. Uttarkashi is 40 kilometers from here. It's very, very warm. I guess the temperature is about 27 degrees now. In the morning we were at 7 degrees and now it's become 27. The roads are not that proper because the work is still going on. We had to stop because there's a vehicle in front. There's a vehicle here. Only one vehicle can pass at one time.